Right out of a magazine, this picture-perfect home will not disappoint with the big open floor plan, high ceilings, skylights and updated kitchen West/stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Perfect home for entertaining. You will appreciate the spacious family room in the lower level, even has room for a home office, gas heat, new central air, low taxes, his/hers custom closets, gorgeous hardwood floors. This house has everything you have been looking for. At the end of the cul-de-sac and close to school, restaurants, shops, cute town park, Taconic. Just move in and enjoy.